You got it, Isaiah. Do it. Do it, do it. Oh, you had it. Come on, sit back up there. Okay, turn, turn. Oh, come on. I saw you. Come on. Sit back up there. All right, turn. Turn yourself. Come on. There you go. Turn yourself. Do it, do it. Yay! Look at you go. Sit back up there. You were doing it good by yourself. There you go. Yay! Good job, Isaiah. You gotta get both legs up there. Put both legs up there. Let me help you. There you go. Okay, there you go. Oh, wait, his leg. Leg. There. You had it. Go on, keep your leg up there. You're doing good. You just need that other leg up there. Yeah. There you go. Now do it. Now do it. All right. All right. Go, Isaiah. All right. That leg. Put that leg up there.
And my Lord was command, the Lord to give the inheritance of Zelophehad. But if they married
good job, Isaiah. All right. Very good.
Inheritance will be withdrawn from the inheritance of our fathers, and will be added to the inheritance of the tribe to which they belong.
Oh, sit down.
It will be withdrawn from our allotted inheritance.
Good job.
The Jubilee of